Marahay na banggi mga kasurog. At muling nagbabalik ang inyong paboritong Ako Bicol Camarinesur. Siyempre pa, hatid sa atin ang ating idol, Congressman Saldico, kasama ang Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, siyempre, kasurog pa. At kung mapapansin mo, partner, punong-puno na itong ating Goa Sports Palace para dito sa ating huling laro, dito sa ating Friday doubleheader ngayong gabi sa ating bigatin quarterfinals pa din. Siyempre, partner, pasadahan na natin ang mga nangungunang teams sa ating AKB quarterfinals team standings.
And as we can look at the screen, Bracket A, Naga with 3 wins, 0 losses. Nabwa with 1 win, 1 loss. Sangay, 1 win, 1 loss. Lupi, 1 win and 2 losses. Milaor with 0 wins and 2 losses. In Bracket B, we have Kamaligan sitting up top with 3 comfortable wins, 0 losses. Iriga with 1 win, 0 loss. San Fernando with 1 win and 1 loss. Goa with 0 wins and 1 loss. And Del Gallego with 0 wins and 3 losses, partner.
Ayun na nga, partner. Yan na yung pinaka-updated na team standings natin kanina kasi naglaro po ng first game yung Del Gallego versus doon sa Team Kamaligan. So yun na po ang pinaka-fresh and updated. At yan naman, para naman sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi, magtatapatan ang kupunan ng Goa kontra naman sa kupunan ng Iriga. Bago natin makalimutan, partner, magpapakilala muna tayong dalawa sa ating mga manonood. Ako nga pala, si Coach Nuki Sabio, ang inyong play-by-play commentator at kasama.
At ako naman si Coach Mark, ang inyong basketball analyst for this last game of this exciting double-header.
Yes, partner. So in terms of their height and advantages, partner, knowing both teams have big guys, both for dito sa Iriga and both dito sa team ng Goa, kita nga natin, nag-islama-jama na kanina, so exposing their height. Ano ba ang pwedeng maging adjustment, coach, ng both teams para magamit nila ito sa pang-opensa at pang-depensa dito sa game na to?
Thank you for that, Coach Nuki. Sa side ng Iriga, if we can look at their stats from general stats coming into the quarterfinals, they actually share the ball with 27 assists, an average of 27 assists per game, at a whopping 71% from the two-point area, combined 52 rebounds per game, 17 of which is offensive, 35 is defensive, and they play an aggressive type of defense with 17 steals per game, which is actually a counter performance to that of Goa. So, ang Goa naman, their strengths is first, 36% from the three-point area, shooting 56% from the free throw area, and what they need to do against the stellar performance of Iriga is they need to take care of the ball more since they turn the ball over at least 14 times a game. Ang sabi ko nga, Iriga with 7 steals per game. So, and also, since Iriga is comparatively a larger team, more lengthier team than Team Goa, they need to help each other and rebound the ball. Also, they need to move the ball better and share the ball early with an excellent ball and body movement.
Napakaganda at detalyado naman doon, coach. Hitik na hitik ang iyong analysis for that team dito sa magbabakbakan Team Iriga versus Team Goa. Ngayon, at we cannot predict who among these teams might get win, but we know for sure they'll give us show. Pero bago niyan, puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela para sa kanyang interview sa dalawang coaches ng ating both teams. Miss Carmela, pasok.
Maraming salamat, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark. At magandang gabi, mga kasurog. Once again, this is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. At live na live pa rin tayo dito sa Goa Covered Court for our 6th day para sa ating quarterfinals. At magsisimula na ang ating huling bakbakan ngayong gabi, labanan sa pagitan ng Iriga at Goa. Both teams na magsisiklaban tonight. And now, kasama ko na ang kanilang mga coaches. Kausapin muna natin sila kung ano ba yung magiging preparations nila ngayon. At simulan natin sa Team Goa, we have Coach Pandoy Prado. So Coach, good evening po. ayan, medyo kinulang kayo, Coach, ng last game nyo, di ba? And ngayon, maglalaro kayo muli dito for our quarterfinals sa inyong second game. At dito pa sa inyong home court. Ano ba yung preparation nyo for tonight?
Okay, good evening sa lahat ng viewers. Ang preparation namin kasi champion team yung Iriga. Nakakailang laban na kami ng Iriga, laging luha ng Goa. Ngayon, yung preparation namin, more on stamina. Kasi baka yun ang magamit namin para sa team ng Iriga. Kasi sila bigs, sana madala namin sa laro yung quickness saka motion offense.
And Coach, maraming salamat po. May gusto po ba kayong batiin o shout out? Go ahead.
Okay, first and foremost, salamat kay Mayor Marcelo Espan sa walang sawang suporta sa Goa Wildcats, kay Sir Stephen Sadja, sa President ng Sisnibra Goa Chapter, Florentino Requinta VII, sa family ko, family Abragan at Prado. Shoutout na rin sa mga basketball groups ko dito sa Goa, yung SSBA, GBBC at sa Lagunoy yung LSBC. Thank you.
And thank you po ulit, Coach. And now, dito naman tayo sa Team Iriga. We have their head coach, Coach Ray Eraula. So, Coach, magandang gabi po. Kamusta po kayo ngayon?
Okay naman, medyo kahit malayo yung biyahe namin, at least nakarating na safety. Ang ano ko lang, ang ganda ng crowd ng Goa. Sana kaya siguro yung Ako Bicol tuwang-tuwa rin dito.
Ayan, so Coach, this is your second game po, di ba? And naipanalo nyo yung last game. So for tonight, Coach, matanong lang po namin, ano ba yung gagawin nyo tonight upang may panalo muli ito?
Siguro yung dati naming sistema, nagdagdag lang ako ng kaunti. Ang system kasi ng basketball ng Team Iriga, matagal na yung gun and run kami. Tapos maganda na kasi matagal na samahan ng mga player ko. Kaya medyo kung baga sa ibang laban, nakakalamang kami ng kaunti kasi buo na 5 years nang magkakasama yung team ko.
Alright, Coach. May gusto po rin po ba kayong batiin o pasalamatan lalong-lalo na sa mga supporters ng Team Iriga?
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa aming butihing mayor, si Honorable Mayor Rex Oliva, saka ang aming sport consultant na very supportive, si Engineer Solomongo, saka yung mga LGUs na sumusuporta sa amin, mga tao sa Iriga, laging nagdadasal sa amin na sana maulit-uli ang magiging champion namin sa basketball dito sa Camarines Sur.
Alright, that's the spirit, Coach. Kaya that's it. Maraming salamat po, coaches. And ayan, we already heard the coaches of both teams, mga kasurog. Kaya stick around because we're about to begin this matchup. And you can also watch us Ako Bicol part of this page, Ako Bicol Online TV at sa page ni Representative Zaldo, and also in our YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya wag na natin to patagalin, mga kasurog. Let's start this matchup. Balik sa inyo, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela. Ngayon naman, puntahan naman natin, pag-usapan itong pinaka-main key player nga sinasabi, Coach. Pag-usapan natin ang kasurog match-up stats natin from their previous matches, Coach.
Yes, Coach, thank you. So, for Goa, their last game against Kamaligan, although they lost, one of their bright lights in the team is number 23, Mr. Wawi Kadir, na tinawag na The Tank.
Uy.
Because of his 2-point average, 55%. Sa 3-point average is hindi naman siya nag-attempt. And 3 rebounds and averaging 13 points a game. On the other side naman, we have the Beast of Iriga. So tignan natin kung the Beast will be unleashed in this game. Mr. Jason Orada with 63% from the 2-point area, 14% in the free throw, 2 assists, 4 rebounds, and a whopping 21 points per game. So this is an even keel scoring for the Beast. And syempre, ang stellar performance naman ng Goa na si The Tank, Wawi Kadir.
Ayun, Coach. Thank you for that. The Tank versus the Beast. Ang bakbakan nyo,
Oo.
naaabangan nyo, mga kaibigan. At para naman sa dalawang kupunan na magtatapat sa ating huling laro ngayong gabi, tapat ang hometown team Goa kontra sa Team Iriga, powerhouse champion. At ito ang ating team stats sa dalawang kupunan, Coach.
Yes, Coach. And as I said, if you can see at the screen here, actually, the statistics of Iriga doesn't actually favor the team of Goa. So, let's look at the tail of the tape here, Coach. In terms of their 3-point average, Goa towers with 71% and Iriga with 71% and Goa with only 39%. Sa 2 points. Sa 3 points naman, we have 31% for Iriga and 36% for Goa. Free throw average, Goa leads this category with 56% and 33% for Iriga. While on the offensive rebound, lamang na lamang dyan ang Iriga with 17 offensive rebounds per game and Goa with only 8 offensive rebounds per game. And same story sa defensive rebounds with 35, almost double, Coach. 30, more than double, rather.
Both rebounding department.
35 defensive rebounds per game, 15 only for Goa. And for steals, ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na dapat nating abangan. Kasi sa Iriga, they actually force their opponents, kung steals to, 17 turnovers per game against their opponents and 5 steals only for Goa. And the turnover ratio is 14. So yun yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, Coach, na dapat nating abangan kasi yung strength ng Iriga might actually be the Achilles heel of Team Goa with 14 turnovers and 9 only for Iriga.
Tama nga yung Coach, sinabi ni Coach Ray Erola kanina about dun sa style ng play nila na dadaanin nila sa run and gun. Kaya nila makukuha plano na manalo dito. At ayun naman, ang kanilang stats. Thank you, Coach Mark. Di na natin patatagalin ang ating Bigaten quarterfinals. Ibato na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Coach Peter Barcelon.
Once again, Manahay na Bangi, Bicolanda. This is still your day 40 of Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Brought to you by Congressman Zaldi Ko at ng Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasulog pa. We welcome you once again inside the Goa Sports Complex for our final game matchups of our Bigaten quarterfinals between Team Iriga versus Team Goa. For the starters of Team Iriga, at center, number 2, the Beast Jason Orada. At forward, number 4, Joseph Mark Marquez. At the other forward, number 20, AJ Pereira. At guard, number 14, Ivan Paul Cruz. At number 13, the other guard, Nagi the Dagger Olea. Let's welcome the starting 5 for your Team Goa. At forward, number 4, Mark Rico. The other forward at number 12, Abraham Niguasa. At center, number 23, Wowie Khalid. At guard, number 28, Colbert Halulukan. And at the other guard, number 9, Rafael Vivales. And officiating officials for this ball game, Crew Chief Ronnie Molinisa, Umpire 1, Bolano Chumasera, and Umpire 2, Rosel Ponte. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur Atindog!
And welcome to the Goa Sports Palace para sa ating main game dito sa bakbakan ng home court. Goa versus Iriga City para sa ating pagpapatuloy pa rin ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Siyempre, atid pa rin sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang nakasurog pa, with you will be your play-by-play commentator, Coach Lugi Sabio, and with me is
Game analyst for this game, Coach Mark. And Coach, no love lost. Quick 2 points off the tip-off and quick 3 points from Iriga.
yes, agutan agad dun, Coach.
Oo.
And also, like to our resident announcer, arena announcer, Coach Peter Barcelona.
Siyempre.
Ayan na nga, Bibares, drop pass to Lidwasa. Muntik na mabitawan at nabitawan na nga, Karurukan with the acrobatic shot. Rebound by Bibares, sinimplehan na lang doon.
Yes, Coach. Yun na yung sinasabi, Coach. The boys are here to play. Big boys playing big games. Guns a blazing for the first few minutes this first quarter, Coach.
Yung butata ang inabot ni The Beast kay Lidwasa. Oh.
Oo, grabe.
Talagang nagharapan sila doon sa ere.
Oo, parang mga ano, Coach. Mga pang
Panabong na manok.
panabong.
Ayan na, steal by Kadir. Karurukan to Kadir. Mintis yan. Rebound pa rin ni Kadir. With a floater, one-handed shot by Wawi Kadir.
Iriga has to do a better job of containing Wawi Kadir if they want to lead early in this ball game, Coach. Kasi that is actually the area of Wawi Kadir. He lives and thrives in the paint.
Ayun, mintis ang floater shot ni AJ Perea. Karurukan ngayon magbababa ng bola. Binabantayan ni Daggy. The dagger Lea. Uy! With the crossover behind the back all the
Uy,
way.
grabe, Coach. Iniwan, Coach. Pati pamilya.
At maaga pa, nagkakagulo na dito sa...
Yes, Coach. And that a wonderful layup drive to the basket is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
At sinagot yan ang simpleng 3 points ni Joseph Marquez.
Parang familiar yung mukha ng Marquez na to, Coach. Saan ba
Familiar,
natin to,
Coach.
Coach? Saan ba natin to nakita, Coach?
Kitang-kita kahit i-search pa sa Facebook ang former San Juanites. At nandito siya kayo magpapakita ng gilas at galing sa Camarines Sur at sa buong Bicol na rin para sa Team Iriga represent. Ayan na si The Beast. Sinagasaan si Karurukan at nakakuha pa ng foul. At tatawagan nga ng blocking foul.
That's a blocking foul.
Yes, all Calber Karurukan.
Karurukan actually not happy with that call from our referees. Same reaction, Coach, actually. Same
Nagulat
reaction doon eh.
Yes. Offensive rebound by AJ Perea. Pass to the dagger Olea. Ball fake for 3. Now good rebound by Wawi Kader. Pass to Calber Karurukan. Screen by Nedwasa. Outlet pass ngayon.
Sayang
Kay
no, Coach.
Recon. Tawan lang.
Ay in the sky sana yung, Coach. Talagang ano lang, simpleng miscommunication.
Yun ang tinatawag natin, Coach. Minsan nauuna yung isip bago saluhin yung bola.
Yes,
Di ba?
Coach.
Kung nangyayari yan sa lahat ng player. The Beast Butata ang inabot kay Wawi Kadir.
Grabe, Coach. Infectious yung energy. The sixth man also doing their job by energizing the home team. Goa.
Yung tapatan, Coach, legit na legit. Yung tapatan
Yes,
natin
Coach.
kanina, yung dalawang player, The Beast versus The Tank.
Talaga naman, first quarter pa lang, mabibeel mo na parang championship game dito. Dahil sa punong-puno
Punong-puno.
ang ating venue, ang Goa Sports Palace. So kung malapit lang kayo dito, I invite everyone to join us here.
Yes.
The energy inside this place
Arena, yes, Sports
is
Palace.
actually electric, Coach. Napakaganda.
Napakaganda. Yung 6-man nga talaga, Coach, na tinatawag. Legit na legit pero din sa Team Go. Samantala, medyo i-adjust daw yung rig, sabi dito ni Rico. Ni Mark Rico kasi medyo tagilid yung tira kanina. At same result, he did not make any of his 2 free throws. Ayun ang binaba ngayon ni The Beast yung bola. Daggy Olea. Mintis. At decision ref, mapupunta. Ball goes to Goa. Goa Basketball. Naka full court press dito, Coach, ang Team Iriga.
Let's see if there is any form of success for pressing the home team here. And Huawei Kadir scores again.
Gandang drop pass no, basket attack coach ni Vivares, then drops to Kadir. Uy, yun lang. Dire-diretso yung layup. Medyo nadulas doon si Huawei Kadir sa gitna.
Nadulas.
Good thing is okay. Bumaba, tumatakbo okay siya. Okay, pagpag lang yung coach. Culver Karurukan against dito kay Cruz. Vivares with a long three. Kaboom!
Vivares with that three. And that shot is brought to you by Hotel Vinesa. Experience Europe.
So many notable players dito, coach, para sa Team Iriga. AJ Perea comes to express. Ayun na nga. Turnover. Vivares lumipad for two.
Grabe yung coach. Lumilipad. Parang may rocket booster sa paa.
Oo, coach, iba ang motivation dito ng Iriga. Siguro nga, sabi nga kanina, coach, ng coach nila, si Coach Anthony Linzo, na sa dinami-dami ng outing nila or laban versus Iriga, hindi pa daw sila nanalo. So, maybe, di ba, coach?
Yes, coach. Maybe.
Abangan.
Sila ngayon.
Abangan natin hanggang fourth quarter, mga kaibigan. At bola kayo natin kay Culver Karurukan against Ivan Cruz. Hacking foul ang tatawagin dito ni ref natin.
Titignan mo, coach, yung matchup sa point guard position. Sinabi kong point guard kasi most of the possession, they hold the ball, setting their teammates up is between Cruz and Karurukan.
Yes.
Match na match yung dalawa, coach.
Body build, coach, no?
Yes, coach.
Kaso, coach, naisahan itong si Ivan Cruz na dalawahan na itong foul. Kaya kailangan ng pagpahingayin ni Coach Ray Rahola, ang ating Lodi coach from Iriga.
Grabe yun.
Grabe naman ang beat.
Vivares, coach.
Crossover behind the back.
Parang Paul Pierce, step back.
Yes, that's root. Pero ano to, si Vivares, di ba, coach, ano to? The silencer.
The silencer,
Yan.
ang moniker nito ni Vivares.
Vivares.
But not in this crowd while they're at home.
Yes, maingay ang kanilang six-man. Ayan na, sumiselyo na doon si The Beast. Kaso ka lang natapikan ni The Tank. O ngayon ni Vivares yung bola. Bababa. Rafael Vivares asking for a skill for Nedwasa. Bounce pass to Nedwasa. Short jumper, no good. Bitin yan. Jason Orada to Dagi Olea. All the way to Joseph Marquez for two.
Easy 2 points, coach. Against Goa.
Ayun, nakakuha pa ng foul si Culver Karurukan doon against kay Joseph Marquez. Medyo unnecessary foul, no, coach?
Yes, coach. So, overzealous defense on the side of Marquez. And we are now seeing the first set of substitutions from both teams. Papasok ngayon si Raton, si Choco Thunder ng Iriga. And
Si Lim Jr. naman para dito sa Goa.
kapatid ng
Alex
ating player.
Lim. Ganda naman no, slicing through defense. Rafael Vivares.
Parang gustong bumawi ni Vivares.
Yes, after medyo slow or
Lackluster start to. Lackluster performance niya against Kamaligan. He's actually showing up this game.
yun naman, si Berman mapantay sa kanyang 3 points. Grabing sagutan dito ko sa puntusan.
Grabe talaga.
Culver Karurukan versus Jokjok Belarmino. Humihingi ng skill dito kay Kadir. Karurukan, sinagasan. Dire-diretso.
Sayang, coach.
Lang.
Talang lumabas lang.
Lumabas
pero
lang.
napakaganda.
AJ Perea with a left-handed layup. Pasok yan.
So back-to-back score from Iriga.
Yes.
Cutting the lead to 3 points, coach.
Yun lang, medyo miscommunication doon si Mark Rico at si Lim Jr. Hindi nagkakuha na doon. At substitution tayo. Si Gino Padua replacing Huawei Kadir.
Let's see how this affects the ball game kasi kanina visibly the Beast was actually bothered by the length of the tank. So ngayon na wala na si Kadir, tignan natin kung bubutasin ba ng Iriga sa loob ang Goa.
Yes. Pere with a beautiful drop pass to Bellarmino for the reverse shot.
Grabe, coach. Ang ball and body movement ng Iriga dito.
Yes.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ray Raula kanina, they're playing together 5 years and counting. Napakaganda.
Gandang rejection sana yun ng screen doon ni Karurukan. Kaso wala na turnover. At Joseph Marquez, outlet pass to Jokjok Bellarmino. Susubok sa tres. Tapos. Rebound ni AJ Perea. AJ with a one-handed throw to Joseph Marquez. No good. Rebound by Mark Rico. Pass to Rafael Vivares. Vivares versus Magpantay. Screen by Padua. Vivares hangs. For 2. Grabe talaga, coach, itong pinapakitang gilas ngayon ni Rafael
Coach.
Vivares.
Vivares
Bawing
has
bawi.
the green lights on for the first quarter. 2 minutes and 18 seconds left for the first quarter this evening.
Yan, double team ngayon si Jokjok Belarmino doon sa gilid. Kay Choco Thunder Raton. Back to Belarmino. No good. Rebound by Magpantay. Magpantay susubok muli sa 3. Boarding pa! Pasok!
Grabe yung odds. Sabi niya, labas ko muna, magwi-withdraw ko sa bangko. At yun na nga, na-deposit na yung pera.
Sabi pa, the parking lot. Siguro parking pa din ng Iriga pag aling yung 3 points kalayo. Grabe yun. Rafael Vivares ngayon na-drive na yung Ersos. Pagpantay. Spins. Nabitawan ng bola. Recovered by Raton. Pass to Belarmino. Belarmino 2 against 1. Alley-oop. Kaso intercepted.
Broken there.
Lim Jr. Eto na ngayon si Mark Rico. Mark Rico versus Pagpantay. Medyo outbalance. Kuha ni Raton 3 against 1. Perea. Dire-diretso.
Easy
2
layup
points.
there by AJ Perea.
Yes, coach. So Gino Padua ngayon with our current score 24-22 in favor of now Goa. 1 minute and 17 seconds dito sa napakagandang bakbakan natin.
Just like that, Coach. Iriga weathers the storm from Goa. And yan, Karorokan with the use of his big body warding off the defender and converting that 2 points as if it was
Through
nothing.
traffic pa yun, coach, ha?
Yes, Coach.
Grabe. Joseph Marquez. Misfires. Rebound by Culver Calrocan. Takas to Gino Padua. Fakes. Turns it over. Kuha ngayon ni Magpantay. Vernon Magpantay. Camser Express player. Jump shots again. Mapakalayo na naman doon. Punti ka na naman, coach. Kapos lang ng konti. Mark Rico. Uy! May foul doon.
There's a foul.
Sa foul, nakita ng ating referee. Hacking foul.
And I think that is
Second.
against Marquez. Marquez with 2 early fouls.
Yes.
The Beast now returning for Marquez. And substitution for both teams here.
Pinasok na ko si Consi Pan. Pinalitan niya si I think si Mark Rico. Yes.
Mark Rico is taking his free throw.
Si Mark Rico, sorry. Sa free throw para si Mark Rico.
Medyo hindi
Ito si Colbert Carrocan ang pinalitan ni Consi Pan.
medyo hindi kontrolado ni
Oh,
Mark
coach.
Rico ang kanyang pulso
Free
dito.
Yan na, coach. Pinakitaan na tayo.
Sorry,
Ayan na, substitution
narinig
na
tayo doon.
Yes. Lozada replacing Mark Rico. Sabi niya, hindi Lozada, practice mo pre yung free throw. At AJ Perea ngayon, screened by the Beast. AJ Perea will go all the way using the glass.
Grabe tong AJ Perea na to, coach.
Kondisyon na kondisyon.
Because of his size and ability to penetrate under porous defense,
Yes.
going to be a ball game here.
Rafael Vivares with the drop pass. Butatang inabot. Shot fake by Rafael Vivares. At may foul na itatawag ang ating woman power referee, Punting. I think Rachel Punting?
Rosel Ponting.
Rosel Punting.
Rosel Ponting.
Foul that was foul in AJ Perea. His first personal foul. Penalty na dito ang Team Iriga. So Rafael Vivares, a current and varsity player of Shepherdville Rams. At,
Silencer, coach. The silencer
silencer.
is the green light on.
At dito naman para sa Team Iriga, Camser Express player. Siyempre si AJ Perea at ditong si The Beast.
Andyan din si Berman Magpantay.
Andyan din
coach.
si Berman Pagpantay. Tatlo sila na nandito sa loob.
Si The Beast.
Ang magigiting na player natin sa
Orada.
Camser Express. Yes, si Jason Orada.
Yan lang. Yan
Ako
lang.
Naman. Ito coach, Mr. Basic din to, si Jason Raton. Saktong-sakto pa ang kanyang layup doon.
Coach, nadukot pa ba? Nadukot. With 5 seconds left, a long heave from the baseline. And with that, coach, kala ko, maikip ng Goa yung Kalamangan. Pero just like that, Iriga leads by a point in this exciting ball game as we end the first quarter.
Yung gandang bakbakan, coach. Ha? So ito naman, mga game highlights natin ng first quarter is brought to us by, syempre, Lisibis Bay,
Oh, Highlands, Legazpi.
Hotel St. Ellis.
And syempre, last but not the least, Hotel Venecia.
Yan, mga,
Experience Europe.
yan mga ating mga top hotels dyan sa Albay pag napunta kayo dyan.
Oo, kung gusto nyo mag-sightseeing, huwag na kayong pumunta doon. Sa hotel na lang.
Yan. So, ating shoutout po ang ating napakagiting at napakapoging idol natin, Commissioner Lloyd Rivera at ang kanyang kapatid si Boss Ino Rivera.
Hi po, Commissioner Lloyd and Boss Ino.
Siyempre si Coach Paulo Binyas ang ating magiting dito na I think floor manager or he's the overall director here sa mga games. Si
Yes, Coach.
Coach Paulo Binyas ang napakagiting na coach ng AKB doon sa Team Albay din.
Yes, Coach. Very dependable
Yan.
and always present.
Yes,
Coach
syempre.
Paolo Binas. Siyempre, yung camera crew natin, headed by ang napakapoging direktor na si Boss Chano.
Yes, I think makakita tayo dito. Coach, mamaya, makakita na ba tayo Coach ng mga kiss cam dito at ang mga
Pwede.
fan cam? Yan.
Yes.
So, atin naman,
Sana naman.
bago tayo magsimula ng ating second quarter, atin naman tunghayan at pakinggan kay Coach Mark ang mga top performers ng first quarter natin.
Coach, on the side of Iriga, we have AJ Perea with 8 points, 1 rebound and 1 block. And Verman Magpantay with 6 points, 1 assist. On the side of Goa, we have Vibares with 18 points, Coach. 18 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. So, let's go back to the ball game, Coach.
Yes, bola mananatili pa rin dito sa Team Goa with a baseline inbound. Another substitution coming in to the ball game. Itong si Dagi Olaya replacing AJ Perea. These are the pride of Iriga, Coach, the multi-titled Intertown champion.
Yes, Coach, mga pangdiinang player talaga to.
Yes, at dito na magpapakitang gilas sa Ako Bicol Cup, Camarines Sur.
Magpantay, flying towards the rim, Coach. Grabe,
Diretso the super ultra athletic Vernon Magpantay.
parang nag-runway na aeroplano.
Oh, unstoppable. Ayan na. Si Vibares, mintis nga lang. Ayan na naman ulit si Vernon Magpantay. Flies away. Yup, lumabas lang ang kanyang tira. The Beast. Nabitawan ng bola. Kick out pass to Jok Bellarmino for 3. Kaboom!
And nasa Bellarmino can send the 3 points. That shot is brought to you by Miss Ibis Bay.
So, 6 na ang kalamangan ngayon ng Team Goa. Team Iriga, sorry. Para dito sa Team Goa at natawagan ng offensive foul si Lim Jr. Si Oscar Lim doon sa illegal pick ang tinawag na ating referee na si Rosel Punting sa kay Oscar Lim, a former Golden Knight. At kick out pa si Vernon kay Jok Bellarmino. Back to Vernon. Vernon magpantay to Jok Bellarmino. 4-3, kaboom na naman!
Another 3 points from Bellarmino. Back to back 3 points.
Matindi ang pinapakitang shooting range at shooting efficiency ni Jok Bellarmino doon. Halos tinuman game lang nila
Yes,
ni
Coach.
Vernon Magpantay.
And with that, Coach, we are now seeing the turning of the tides with Iriga leading by 9 points, 36 to 27. Let's see how the home team adjusts to the stellar shooting performance of Team Iriga for this quarter.
Yes, Coach. Well said. So yun na nga, dalawa halos masakit yun. 8-0 run. Coach,
Yes,
8-0
Coach.
run, the layup of Vernon Magpantay and the 2 back-to-back threes of Jok Bellarmino. Balik tayo matapos ang ceasefire na tinawag ng Goa. Bola ngayon ng Team Goa.
So, still Wawi Kadir, not back on the floor here. Sticking with their local guys. Padua as their big man here. Vibares.
Ayun na naman ulit, turnover na naman.
Yan lang. Uy,
Saktong-sakto yung pagkakatama sa paa. Lozada. Pass to Consi Pan. Back to Lozada. Lozada. Sorry.
almost can send that.
Yes.
3 points, Coach.
Medyo hindi siya coach familiar doon pero sinubukan niya pa rin. Ayan na, Dagi Olea for 3. Pasok yan!
Yun na nga, Coach. And that corner 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elmo.
They have 3 lethal sharpshooters here sa Iriga on the floor with Jok Villarmino, Vernon Magpantay, and the legend, Dagi, the Dagger.
The Dagger,
Olea.
Olea.
Number 6, Oscar Lim of Goa.
At may double foul doon, Oscar Lim Jr. At kay The Beast, Jason Orada.
Oscar Lim, second personal foul.
So kanina sabi ko wala pa si Wawi Kadir. We are now seeing the return of the Tank and the Beast
Yala.
matchup.
Sila talaga, coach, ang magbabantayan.
Oo.
Napakaganda naman itong tignan.
Ito yung tatawagin nating Masi-Masi.
Yes.
Masi-Masi matchup.
Rafael Vivares with a drop pass to Luzada.
Napakaganda, coach.
Kasama pang foul!
Oo. Kinaliwa, may kasama pang foul.
Yes.
Isama pa pamilya mo.
Ayan na nga. Ganda na break kasi ni Rafael na Vivares doon. At gandang drop.
Grabe, coach.
Ang time nagkape pa ako sa ere. Bumaba nung malamig na. Ayun.
Yun lang.
Boarding ang kanyang frito. Rebound niya pa rin. Losada. Boarding again.
Sobrado lang, coach. Sobrado. Sarado na daw yung bangko.
Yes.
Sarado yung bangko.
Rato nagmamadali. Pasa kayo kay Jok Villarmino again for his third 3.
And that is the 4th 3 points. And that is brought to you by Hotel Venezia.
Ringless na naman. Jok Villarmino turning his inner Steph Curry in this game. By the way, simple lang ang tira doon.
Grabe yung coach. Parang huli kong nakita yung kanyang mga tira sa likes pa ni Team Duncan sa NBA. Wawi
Yes.
Kadir showing us that the simple shots and moves in the basketball court brings great efficiency.
Yes, Lozada kung Consi Pan for 2. Ang pagkagandang no-look pass doon ni Brian Lozada to Consi Pan. At makakastil pa dito si Consi Pan. Stops and pops for 3. Kabol!
3 points
For
Consi
3.
Pan. Ayo.
Ang lupit naman ng effort noon ni Consi Pan.
In a transition, 3 points, coach, is brought to you by Highlands Gas.
Ayun, Marcel Michael Pan. Double M Pan. Yan. Consi Pan na lang kasi he's a current counselor here in Goa. Camarines Sur. Ayan na, Jok Villarmino na bitawan ng bola. Kala ko makakakita na naman ako ng pasabog na tres ni paring Jok.
Oh, na-excite, coach. Na-excite doon sa
Na-excite
passing
ako,
niya.
pat kaming dalawa na-excite. Nauna yung isip namin bago sa loob.
Yes, coach. And ayun na, pumasok na ulit, coach, si Marquez dito sa larong ito. Another big-time player for Iriga.
Yes. At Goa basketball ngayon with Culver Cararocan. Hinahanap si Wawi Kadir, posting up in the middle against Joseph Marquez. Rebound, mapupunta kay Culver Cararocan. Culver Cararocan stops and pops, drops to at ang bola Bilyesa at mapupunta ang bola sa Iriga.
Good effort doon, coach, on the part of the white jerseys. Clogging the rebounding lane and attempting for another second chance point.
Yes, coach. So Vernon Magpantay, screened by the Beast. Magpantay with a stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Lozada. Ryan Lozada to Culver Cararocan. May agyang nagulo dun sa bola. Cross-court pass to Consi Pan. Pan, dives, boarding, no good. Rebound by Lozada. Napakagandang hustle naman
Grabe
yun.
yung coach. Grabe. Napakagandang pick. Napakagandang pick. Talagang kumagat yung Pantay.
Not only that, coach, bigla na lang siyang lumipad out of nowhere
Exactly.
to grab that rebound.
Exactly. Parang pogo stick dito.
Yes.
Si Lozada lumabas out of nowhere and gets that impressive looking offensive rebound.
At medyo may blood coming out dito sa bibig ni Vernon Magpantay. At he's been taking care naman nitong mga ating, siyempre, magigiting na medical team ng Ako Bicol. Siyempre, di ang papabayaan. Always. Samantala, mintis yung unang free throw ni Brian Lozada.
Oo, parang
Ito, coach, ang hustle guy nila, no? The kind of glue guy or energy guy ng
yes,
Goa.
coach. And rightfully so, di ba? Yun na nga, another second chance point for Team Goa here. So they opt to set. 7 seconds on the shot clock.
4 seconds. Andot no, alam to ni Cararocan. Ayan na nga. Tama yung inaalala ko, coach. Hindi alam ni Karokan na putukan. Pero bibihira yan sa kanyang mga veteranong player na hindi aware sa shot clock. I know he will recover and babawi yan kasi yung mga veteranong player, bibihira yan na hindi maging
Yes,
aware
coach.
sa kanyang shot
Just
clock.
a little bit of miscommunication on the part there of the screen from Wawi Kadir and I think Belleza nag-provide ng double screen kaya hindi nakalusot doon si Karorokan.
Yes,
Pero
coach.
that will get better.
Ayan na naman si Jok Bellarmino. Ayan na si The Beast. Kaso, natapikan sa ilalim. Kala ko mas magkakasubukan na naman si The Beast at si The Tank nun sa loob eh.
Grabe coach tong The Beast na to. Parang SUV naglalaro dito sa basketball court.
Nakakatakot, baka biyanggan ka ng truck. Ayan na si Jackie ulit, shots fake. Pasa dito kay AJ Pereira. Cross-court pass to Joseph Marquez for 3. No good. At tumama sa board sa labas, out of bounds. Bola mapupunta dito sa Team Goa.
Marquez is yet to hit the mark for this game, coach. Hindi ko alam mo nakaisa na siya, pero as far as I remember, if
He has one,
mind,
coach. He has one.
meron siyang isa.
Yes, stress. Colbert Karokan ngayon, didiskarte. Binabantayan ni Jok Bellarmino. Poposte ngayon. Sa gitna, napakagandang cut ni Brian Losada with a fadeaway shot.
That was a very excellently executed play for Team Goa there, coach.
Yes.
And Iriga only leading by 4 points now with that
Umahaba.
shot
Yes.
of Luzada.
Ayan na naman at nakaagaw na
Steal.
naman. Brian Losada, dito nangunguna si Consi Ayup. Panay na bitawan na medyo napalakas yung. Although, hindi sana kailangan, coach eh, no, ipasa muna. Kasi
Yes.
2 against 1 naman yun.
Exactly, coach. Sayang yun. And yun na nga, as good teammates, nagtapikan yung dalawa. Sayang brother, di ko nakuha yung pass.
Oo, could have been. 2 points na lang sana. Pero, siyempre, etong Iriga medyo hindi pumasok lang, coach. They have good looks naman outside. Hindi lang pumapasok yung kanilang mga tres.
And coach, we can see so far so good sa mga nakikita natin. The home team is actually performing as expected with their 6th man, and Iriga is finding themselves in a myriad of problems as they can't seem to scurry away with a big lead against the home team.
Medyo napahinga kasi dito, coach, si Vernon Magpantay, yung kanilang isang ace player. Kasi medyo, yan na nga, ina-attend siya ngayon ng ating mga medical team. Kasi nga, medyo may lumalabas na dugo sa kanyang bibig. We don't know yet kasi hindi ganun ka-close up yung nakita namin. Tinamaan sa, most probably, tinamaan sa kanyang bibig. At nagpapahinga siya dito sa corner, sa side ng ating medical team.
Also, coach, on the side of Iriga, one of the missing link as of the moment is the offense provided by Jason Orada that we haven't seen yet, just like how he did against San Fernando.
Oo, coach,
So,
siguro. Baka
yung-
na-well challenge siya nito ni
Wawi Kadir.
Wawi Kadir, yun. Joseph Marquez.
Bago ko makalimutan, coach, shoutout dyan sa napakagaling na strength and conditioning coach natin dyan before, si Coach Dick Pejo.
Ayun, watching Coach Dick Pejo. Now, a strength and conditioning coach for the NU Bulldogs and Aureliano Chiefs.
O, and siyempre,
Basketball team and
batiin
volleyball
din
team.
natin yung tita ni
Yes.
Coach Dick, si Tita Gina.
Tita Gina. Siyempre, Tita Gina, good evening po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-support ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Nawa hindi po kayo magsawa katulad din ni Coach Dick. Mabuhay po kayo, Tita Gina.
Tita Gina and Coach Dick.
Ayun, Joseph Marquez for 3!
And he marks in
Ayan
the
na, Coach.
second 3 points.
Kakaano pa lang natin kanina, pinakitaan na tayo.
And that's what you would expect from a player who played professionally kasi professional yung MPBL, di ba?
Yes. At ang gandang rebound doon, ni timing ni Mr. Belleza. Monching Belleza at nakakuha siya ng offensive rebound at may kasama pang foul doon. Di nga lang pumasok ang kanyang follow-up shot. So tinapatan din, coach, nitong Team Goa, itong bigs ng ating Team Iriga. They have also the size kasi maliit lang talaga nila dito, si Consipan at si Colbert Karokan.
Yes, coach. Oo, kaya nga nakikita natin ang parang tatlong bigs kung iisipin natin. Long players. the right term is long and lengthy players. We have number 21, Bilyesa,
Yeah.
Lozada, and of course, manning the middle is Wawi Kadir.
Yun. At meron na clarifications lang dito na inaano sa ating with the referee Chumacher Bonanongs. Ito na nga. So may correction dito. Kinorek yung kaninang tira ni Consi Pan, Marcel Michael Pan na 2 points, kinonvert into 3 points upon review. So kinorek nila yung scoreboard doon. Siguro kanina pa yon talaga ko sinaano kinogustong ko i-correct ng coaching staff. So pinabigyan naman siyempre for the subject for review upon dead ball. Okay?
Yun na nga ako sa first free throw attempt by Bilyesa misses and misses the second one. Sayang lang opportunity na binibigay dito sa free throw line ng Iriga for Goa kaso di nila kino-convert.
By the way, Iriga is missing one player, yung kanilang center na si Bunyag. Wala dito. So they have only I think 11 players and Ambert Hermoso I think is not also around for Team Iriga.
Napakagandang stop and pop din yung coach.
Grabe to
By
si
Consi
Pan, a former Golden Knight din to coach. Not so well known nung panahon niya sa Golden Knight kasi marami siyang kasabay talaga na sobrang gagaling. Pero it not ends there kasi maraming player akong kilala. Ang iba malalapit ko pang kaibigan. Even myself, coach, I can say na mas gumaling ako nung after na basketball years ko kasi siyempre mas tumatalino tayo, mas nare-realize natin yung mga bagay-bagay.
Yes, coach. That's
Diba?
Exactly placed words, coach.
Yeah, poposting ngayon dito. Kaso nga lang, naagawan ni Dagi Olea doon. The Beast! Uy,
Yan
kapos!
lang. Medyo maalat siya ngayong gabi, coach.
Maalat si The Beast.
Natutulog ngayon si The Beast. As
Wow.
Wawi Kadir converts that easy shot.
Hindi na ko napigilan doon ni Jok Villarmino kasi sobrang tower talaga yung floater ni Wawi Kadir. AJ Perea ngayon versus Ayopan. Stops and pops. No good. Uy, ganda naman ang offensive rebound ni The Beast. Muntik na magawan at nagawan na nga. Ito na kaya si Colbert Carorocan with the left layup for 2.
Hamtang by Karorokan on the left side converts the 2 points and we now have an open ball game. 45 all, 2 minutes 14 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Oo, coach. Actually, 10 na tayo kanina. Lamang ng Iriga or 8. At nakahabol ngayon. Iba talaga pag may spirit of the sixth man, home court
Yes,
crowd.
coach. Saka mafe-feel mo, coach, dito sa loob ng Goa Sports Palace. Yung support, genuine support
Yes.
ng mga ng people of Goa for their home team.
Kaya
And visibly, parang di din napapagod yung home team
Oh,
natin.
syempre naman, coach, tayo naka-experience tayo ng mga ganyang kalaking crowd noon when we were playing. Pagka ganito ang crowd, sino ba naman na hindi gaganahan?
And as we wait for the action to continue, let's go muna to our very beautiful courtside reporter, Carmela. Carmela, the floor is yours.
Mainit na labanan agad ang pinapakita ng Team Iriga at Team Goa dito sa ating first half at hindi nagkakalayo ang mga scores nito. As we can see, Team Goa has really have the advantage dahil home court nila ito. But kanina sa huddle, sabi ng coach ng Team Goa na si Coach Anthony Linzo, they are struggling when it comes to their defense. They have to recover immediately para sa kanilang depensa at opensa para hindi na makuha agad ng Team Iriga. Lalong-lalo na mas kailangan daw nila higpitan ang mga guards nito. On the other hand, Team Iriga has a different playstyle for tonight and according to them, medyo nakukuha na nila at nakakabisado ang kanilang game flow dito. But still, they have to make sure every move they will make dahil nasa Goa pa rin ang advantage ngayong gabi. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Carmela, for that wonderful report. And we now go back to the action inside sa Perea scores for Team Iriga breaking the deadlock. Yun, sorry miss on the part of Lozada.
I thought he was gonna drop it to Kadir, pero hindi niya na ginawa. So, napindi sa Perea doon with a floating shot.
Back-to-back shot by Perea. 4-point swing now on the side of Iriga as they as they convert that
Iriga,
floater.
Iriga coach regaining the lead. Now 4 points. Losada ngayon.
And one.
And one pa. Talagang nilagyan niya pa ako ng backhand para siguradong 2 points daw yung sabi ni Brian Losada. At pushing foul ang natawag doon dito kay Jock Bellarmino.
And of course, coach, a very nice setup from Karorokan as he notices that Lozada rolled to the left, being a left-handed player.
Yun. Talaga ko shake and bake pa dito si Brian Lozada, parang James Harden lang sa free throw.
Kaya lang, coach, they're actually missing the opportunity to convert from the line.
Yes, rebound yan ni Mark Rigo, pass to Colbert Karorokan. Bababa ang bola versus Joseph Marquez. Karorokan versus Marquez. Cross is over. May padiin pa. Uy, gandang rebound naman. Timing naman yung rebound pero ni Wawi Kadir.
And Kadir cleans up that messed up shot by Karorokan. Talaga naman yung import ng Goa is doing what he is supposed to do. And ayan na, parang may...
Karorokan all alone on the transition. At lamang na coach ang Team Goa ngayon with 51-49 and 12 seconds remaining in the second quarter. AJ Perea turns around, kaso nga lang.
And there's a traveling goal there, coach. I think there is some words between
Joseph
Kadir
and
and
Joseph Marquez.
Marquez.
Medyo naglalambingan lang coach doon sa gilid. Holding hands while walking lang sila pababa.
coach.
Itong si Wawi Kadir at
Pero there was a prior incident kanina, coach.
Coach.
I think lang, coach, I think this is an unpopular opinion. The officiating needs to take care of this kasi this
Extra
might
mode,
blow
yes.
over, coach. Pero, of course, we trust the judgment of our officiating crew naman.
Kasi kanina pa, nagpo-poste yan si Wawi Kadir against
Oo.
itong kay Joseph Marquez. Pero napakaganda coach ang depensa na binibigay nitong si Marquez. Yung denying na
Yes,
makareceive itong si Kadir, fronting the defense. Ayun nga, may turnover nga. So doon kanina medyo nagkagirian sila. Siguro na-frustrate itong si Kadir. At yung tira nga dito kanina ni Wawi Kadir, medyo nagkadiin na ng konti, nagkamasahihan. At doon sa kabila, nagkakumprontahan. At yun na nga, holding hands while walking at naglalambingan sila pababa.
And remember sa mga nanonood sa atin, these are big-time players.
Yes.
And talaga naman, pinapahirapan nila yung kada isa.
So,
Marquez, a former MPBL player, San Juan Knights. And of course, syempre, si Wawi Kadir doesn't lack the credential to back up. Veteran.
Player. Nag-ano pa yan, guys? Middle East pa yan naglaro. Veterano yan, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa ibang bansa naglalaro yan sa UAE, si Wawi Kadir.
Yes, coach.
At ito naman, siyempre, si Colbert Karorokan naman at itong isang import ng Goa experience din from playing in so many collegiate leagues before and semi-pro at nandito ngayon nagpapakitang gilas sa Team Goa.
And as we wait for the review of our officiating crew, pag-usapan muna natin, coach, yung naging adjustment dito ng Goa as they regain the lead against the more favored Iriga in this ball game.
I was surprised, coach, because the adjustment was just 2-3 defense despite Iriga raining those threes. Kaso after nun, nag-zone lang sila 2-3. And I was really surprised. Sabi ko nga kanina, sa loob-loob ko lang, baka mabaon to. Kasi nga, nung pumapasok na yung 3, and depensa pa ng zone na 2-3. So, hindi luckily, because of their guts and willingness na dumipensa ng maayos despite they're playing man zone or siguro yung 2-3 nila is like a floating zone. Kaya nagawa nilang mahabol ito. At lumamang pa, coach,
Yes,
na yung second quarter after Iriga lead them by 8 or 10 points in the first quarter alone.
Yes, coach. Very well said, coach. Na hindi na kung titignan mo yung adjustment ng Goa, they went into a floating 2-3 zone to counter the shooting prowess of Iriga, and we now have a ball game. In
Yes.
short, kasi they're leading by 2 points. Na kanina nakapukol na ng back-to-back shot si Perea after the deadlock. So 4-point lead and a 6-point swing from Goa now having the 2-point lead. Tama ba yung nakikita ko, coach? 7.82 seconds left in this second quarter ba?
Yes, coach. Agree. 7.82 seconds na lang ang natitira na sa ating second quarter. Ngayon na ang lamang ang Goa. Kanina, hinabol sila at nahabol na nga with their fisky and gutsy moves. Palagi silang nauna sa transition at yun na nga nakuha nilang kanilang kalamangan dito sa malapit na pagtapos ng second quarter ng ating doubleheader second game. Hometown, home court, Goa. Sabi nga niya ko, Goa Wildcats versus Iriga Cracons, di ba?
Yes, coach. So, something that you would expect from the home team.
Yes. So may tinawag doon na double foul kay Joseph Marquez against dito kay Wawi Kadir, kaya medyo natagalan tayo at konting delay at bola ngayon still mapupunta dito sa team Goa.
Goa, oo. The call on the floor is double technical foul on Kadir and Marquez. So Marquez, I guess that's third foul, coach? If I'm not mistaken, the
Yes,
third foul?
coach. Third foul kasi may dalawang foul na siyang nauna kanina. Doon pa lang sa first half. First quarter. So, Culver Carorocan stops and pops for 3. Rebound by Dagi Olea. AJ Perea. Pasok pa sana ko. Muntik na. So, at the end of our beautiful and entertaining and full of physicality first half running score.
Let me just coach, take this opportunity to appreciate the setup made there by Goa. They actually made an elevator play for Carorocan in the middle of the floor.
Yes.
And they actually did that while the players of Iriga were actually going to the review panel. Sila focused lang sila ngayon. So ganyan kaganda yung quality of game natin. And now, Goa still leading with 2 points. Iriga 49 in this halftime.
Wag na wag kayong aalis at pagbabalik kami dito sa bakbakan pa rin. Goa versus Iriga dito pa rin sa Goa Sports Palace. Kami po ay magbabalik pagkatapos lamang ng ilang sandali.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List. Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Inat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit 1 dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang dito sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
At kami po ay muling nagbabalik dito pa rin sa Goa Sports Palace para sa ating napakaganda at napaka-exciting ball game dito sa ating Friday doubleheader. Dito pa rin sa home court na naglalaro ang ating Goa versus the mighty powerhouse Iriga City. At yun, with the current score tayo ng 51-49. Lamang po ang Goa ngayon sa pagsisimula ng third quarter. At bago yan, pakinggan muna po natin ang mga top performers ng ating first half with Coach Mark. Coach Mark?
Thank you, Coach Nuki. So, on the side of Iriga, we have AJ Perea with 12 points, 1 rebound, and 1 block. Jok Bellarmino with 11 points, 1 rebound, and 2 assists. And Vibares for Goa with 18 points, 2 rebounds, 5 assists, 2 steals.
Ayan na, at nakita na natin si Vernon magpantay after missing action doon sa second quarter kasi nga undergo muna siya ng protocol, sa health protocol kasi nga dumudugo yung kanyang bibig kanina at ngayon is looking good, buti naman at maayos itong si Vernon magpantay. Back to the ball game, Vernon magpantay against Vibares. Inside pass to Jok Bellarmino with a beautiful fake. So mintis yun, rebound ni Jason Raton. Si Choco Thunder Raton. Foul doon committed by Nedwasa. First personal foul, first team foul for Team Goa.
So Choco Thunder on the line. Converts the first one, Coach.
Gandang-ganda ng release. Naman dito ni Jason Raton. Jason Orada. Yan. Dalawa pala talagang Jason dito. 2 for 2 para kay Jason Choco Thunder Raton.
Alright, and with that, the score is now tied 51 all, Coach.
Culber Carorocan against Bellarmino. Behind the back spins, extra step. Binording Mintis. Tapi ka ng bola mapupunta sa yes. Referee was corrected. Bola daw, pupunta Goa pa rin.
There's a change in that call, Coach.
Yes.
Ball now, same ball for Team Goa.
Ayun. Rafael Vibares, punta sa gilid. At ngayon na si Nedwasa against Orada. Boarding shot, no good. Follow up by Mark Rico.
Rico cleans up that missed shot by Nedwasa there, Coach. Good effort.
Finding his touch now si Mark Rico after missing kanina ng maraming tira sa first half. Eto na si Vernon magpantay for 3. Mintis siya rebound ni Mark Rico. Mark Rico pass to Culber Carorocan. Ginugulo ngayon ni Jok Bellarmino. Dito na si Rafael Vibares. Vibares, teka muna daw. Slows it down, Culber Carorocan. Crosses over against Bellarmino. Inararo, tinira. Medyo bagya na butata doon. At rebound ni Jason Raton. Pass to the dagger Olea to Jok Bellarmino.
On the side, no good. The
Jason
tank now.
Orada. Solid miss.
Misses the bunny there. Choco Thunder misses that easy layup.
Oh, coach. Buelong-buelo sana yun. Ayan na si Nedwasa. Shot fake.
Grabing jump step yung Coach. Kobe Bryant.
Oo.
Nedwasa with the ball. 8 seconds. Yun lang.
Turnover nun. Vernon magpantay. Behind the back. Muntik na lilipad na si Vernon. Sasalaksak! Sinabayan siya doon. Netong si Rafael Vibares. Ganda naman ng sabayan. No?
Oh, Coach, parang Talisay versus Texas. Grabing salpakan yun sa ere, Coach. Vernon magpantay.
With the aerial showdown. Di ba, Coach? Aerial showdown ang pinapakita. Kaso nga lang, mintis yung unang tira ni Verman. The former NCF Tigers, now the champions, at now the current player of Kamsur Express.
Yes, Verman magpantay.
Goa basketball. Rafael Vibares.
So Goa now only with a 1-point lead here, Coach. Vibares
stops and pops his
Coach. Nilagay, Coach, sa may tagiliran, sabay pinagpag. And the perimeter shot is good.
Gandang jump shot naman. Ayan na Vernon magpantay. Kick out pass to Jok. Shot fake. Drives. Hanks.
And one, Coach. And one. Napakaganda ng Coach.
Buhay na coach ang Team Iriga ngayon. At may foul doon kay Rafael Vivares. Pangalawa niya na yan.
And one.
Sus, Mariosep na. Drive naman yun.
And that scintillating play is brought to you by Miss Ibis Bay.
Ayun, hindi nga lang makonvert. Ito si parang Jok yung kanyang pa 3-point play.
Grabe yung coach.
Grabe naman yun. Grabe. Highlights after highlights. Ito na si Mark Rico. Nabitawan yung bola. Recovered by Jason Rada. Outlet pass to Jok Bellarmino. Alley-oop to Vernon Magpantay. Bigla na lang lumabas, coach.
And that team play is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
Ayun.
As Iriga regains a 1-point lead in this third quarter. And can this game get any hotter, Coach Nuki?
Yes, Abraham Magpantay misfires there. Rebound by Wawi Kadir. Basic yan. Floater shot.
Grabe tong Wawi Kadir, Coach. Parang naglalagay lang ng damit sa loob ng cabinet.
So ibang-iba ko siyang nilalaro ngayon itong Wawi Kadir against doon sa Team Kamaligan ng last game nila sa
Yes,
San Fernando Court. So ito na nga, Jok Bellarmino missing the jumper. At may matatawag dito na foul si ating Ronnie Manilisa sa girian sa ilalim. Sino kaya ang nahuli? Foul no number 2, Jason Orada, pushing foul. Second personal foul na ni Jason Orada. First team foul pa lamang para dito sa Team
Second
Iriga.
foul of the Beast, Coach.
Yes,
so,
the Beast.
hopefully he doesn't get a third foul kasi that would spell disaster for Team Iriga at this juncture. As Vivares drives.
Iba yung coach yung strides nung Vivares. No, di mo alam kung saan magsa-sidestep eh.
One word, Coach. Confidence.
Yes.
May confidence siya ngayon. The silencer has the green lights on.
He has a different confidence in this game compared to his last game, which I was been there as an analyst. He's a different beast or different ball player right now. Exploding, too much confidence, driving, slicing, attacking defense, and kicks out the ball whenever it is possible to his teammates. And with the help of the sixth man, which is the crowd.
Yes, Coach. Very well-placed words, Coach. And now with that 2-point conversion from the free throw line, Goa enjoys this 3-point lead. Verman Magpantay gets fouled as he slices and dices in the middle of the floor.
Medyo sumabit doon sa kanyang driving lane. Ito si Vivares at may third personal foul na siya. Papalitan siya ngayon ni Consi Pan, ni Marcel Michael Pan. Iriga basketball. Dagi Olea drives behind the back. Pass to Jason Orada. Jason Orada drives. Nagasa na doon.
Grabe, Coach.
Sabi yung sagasa. Butatang inabot kay Wawi Kadir. Wawi Kadir recovers but he steps on the line. Bola still for Team Iriga with 8 seconds remaining.
Sa sobrang lapad, Coach, ni The Beast, kahit natapal ni Wawi Kadir, natapon sa palabas. Parang nabunggo ng 10-wheeler doon.
Ang tindi ng laro ngayon. Kung ako sa inyo, manood kayo at pumunta dito. Ayan na nga! Pinakitaan tayo from the parking lot. 3 points by Dagi the Dagger Olea.
And that parking lot 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel Veneza. Experience Europe.
Mark Rico to Colbert Carorocan. Hihingi ng screen dito kay Abraham. Nedwasa with the jumper. Carorocan misses it. Nedwasa with the spin move. Bukas pa yung pakpak.
Grabe yung Nedwasa converts that. And that there is, I think, a flapping warning.
At may warning doon for faking a foul pa si Jok Bellarmino.
Yun na.
Marcel Michael Pan ngayon susubukan si Jok Bellarmino. Stops and pops sa 3. Kaboom!
Kaya na! Ilista mo na!
Iba talaga, coach, pag sinabing home court. Memorize na memorize kahit natutulog pa. Sasagutin.
A different vibe here for the home team, coach. Let's see how Team Iriga responds to this challenge.
Tapik ni Nedwasa to Carorocan against Magpantay. Crosses over. Slices through. Kicks out to Marcel Pan. 4-3 again. No good. Rebound by Mark Rico. Screen to Marcel Pan. Consi Pan that drives sa gitna.
Grabe yung ayun na. The game has now broken loose.
Iba ang konsihal. Marcel Michael, buhay na coach.
And we have the home team alive and well as Iriga misses that shot.
Bellarmino misfires on the 3 kanina. Basic na basic yung kay Jok. Ngayon medyo inaalat. Kaya papalitan muna daw siya ni itong si Ivan Cruz.
Grabe, Coach. Grabe. Yung nakikita natin ngayon. I hope na nandito kayo. Yan lang masasabi ko.
Kung kayo dito, Goa, Tigaon, even Tinambak. Siyempre dyan sa may bandang Lagunoy. Punta na kayo dito. Ang lapit nyo lang dito. Ibang klase ang nakikita nating bakbakan dito sa ating Goa Sports Palace. Dito sa dalawang powerhouse team.
Yes, Coach. Iriga, as said, is said to be the favorite team after winning the championship in the Intertown and beating Goa there as a consequence there. But we can now see Goa with a sucker punch as a counter measure for this amazing performance sana nung first quarter ng Iriga, Coach. Talagang they're here to win this game, sabi nila.
Oo, Coach. So, yan na nga. Medyo maalat yung Goa kanina nung first half pero nakarecover sila nung second quarter at yun na nga, lamang silang dalawa ng halftime. At ito naman, dinadagdagan pa nila. Courtesy by Desman. Ayan na nga, step side!
Grabe yun!
Euro step!
And that amazing shot is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi. Karorokan delivering the deuce.
Buhay
nicely.
na buhay. Buhay na buhay na, Coach. Ooh! AJ Perea with the reverse. May kasama pang foul yan!
Grabe to, Coach. Grabe to, Coach. Karorokan na to. Parang ice cream man kung mag-operate on the half court. Natatandaan ko si Luis Cola. Calm, cool, and collected. The ice cream man delivers the deuce. And dito naman sa instance na to, Coach, kita natin. AJ Perea.
Simpleng-simple lang. Pagka-basket, sabay lakad, simple lang. Yan ang mabait na naman talaga yan si AJ Perea. Kasama natin yan sa Camsur Express. AJ Perea with the foul counted. Nag-timeout dito yung Team Goa bago pa makapag-free throw si AJ Perea.
And we have 3 minutes and 26 seconds left in this ball game as Team Goa enjoys a 7-point lead. And Perea is yet to take the bonus free throw.
Coach, involved na as expected itong crowd nitong Goa cheering for their team. Defense, di ba, Coach?
Yes, Coach. May feel mo yung collegiate spirit na tinatawag natin.
Oo.
And that is why I think
Hindi tayo bago diyan sa collegiate spirit na yan.
that is why I think foreigners would always love to play here in the Philippines because of number one, the fans, more than anything else.
At syempre naman, Coach, pag dinala naman natin to doon sa Iriga, venue naman doon sa Iriga, I think Coliseum, syempre hindi magpapatalo ang crowd ng Team Iriga. Number one din yan, best din yan sa number one crowd dito sa Bicol na, hindi lang sa Camarines Sur.
They're a tough crowd, Coach. A tough crowd.
Same dito sa Goa. Nagkataon lang. Nandito ngayon ang venue. Ayan na. Culver Carrocan. Pass to Consi Pan. All the way. Yun lang napalakas.
Mintis.
Sorry, miss there. Open shot sana yun by Consi Pan. Jason Raton. Kick out pass to AJ Perea. Floater. Mintis. Pasa pala yun.
Grabe yung, Coach. Pasa pala yung, Coach.
Kaya ka, Coach.
Kahit ako, Coach, hindi ko nakitang pasa yun.
Reverse. Saka may reverse shot si The Tank or The Beast. Parang pareho lang kasi ko si The Tank. Pwede rin to kay Jason Orada eh, di ba? Ayan na naman, nananagasan na naman!
And that's,
No
I think,
counted daw, Coach.
that's a no call.
Pwede na natin ito kung tawagin the pitbull nitong si Culver Carrocan.
Oo, the
no?
pitbull. Yes, Coach, grabe to. Parang mini SUV.
Mini SUV. Babanggay kung sinong sumalakay dyan.
And take note, Coach, Jok Bellarmino is not a pushover in any league. Kilala si Jok Bellarmino as an excellent defender. But Karorokan seems to manhandle Jok Bellarmino in this ball game.
Ayan na, sinab muna doon si Karorokan. Netong number. Ayan na nga, Team Iriga with Dagi Olea with a simple basic perimeter jump shot. Hindi siya kilala dyan, pero pasok pa rin yan.
Olea choosing well-selected shot there in the perimeter.
John Christopher Plaza ngayon pinasok na. Ito, isa rin itong speedy player, si John Christopher Plaza against Cruz. Poposte dito si Gino Padua versus Choco Thunder na to. Plaza with 5 seconds to shoot. through. Consi Pan for 3. No good. Rebound by Losada. Losada, put back.
Sayang yun, coach.
Mintis. Jason Orada. Teka muna daw. Binigay dito kay Jason Raton. Ayan na si AJ Perea. Corner pass to Dagi Olea for 3. No good. Marcel Pan. With the transition. Uy, muntik na magaw. Na-recover niya pa rin.
There.
Ooh, with the hang time ni Lozada. Kaso nga lang, Mintis medyo kinapos na sa kanyang layup. Ivan Cruz now to AJ Perea. Lumipad. Pinasa kick out dito kay Olea for 3. Malakas yan. At sabi ng coach ng dito ng Goa, teka muna daw, sabi na Anthony Linzo. Teka muna.
And we are seeing the up and down here, coach, as both team fails to convert. And there seems to be a scoring drought for both teams here. 9 seconds to shoot.
At yan nakapag-seal doon si Gino Padua over Jason Orada at hindi na matatawagan ng holding foul. Yeah, reach in foul itong si number 12 si Jason Raton.
Jason Raton, coach.
Ganda ng seal noon nung Gino Padua. Yun na yung isa sa mga lost arc ngayon, no, coach?
Yes, coach.
Yung pagsisil sa
Sealing,
gitna.
oo. Napagandang seal. So 14 seconds to shoot with 1 minute and 9 seconds left in this third quarter. Lozada
with the boarding favorite shot yan.
Back shot
Ni Brian
Lozada.
Yes.
Leaning towards the board, delivering, depositing the money inside the bank.
Their very own Mr. Energizer, Brian Lozada dito sa Team Goa.
5-point lead ngayon, coach, for Goa as the Beast handles the ball.
Vernon magpantay with a one-handed boarding shot.
Verman magpantay. Returns the favor, coach, with another boarding floating shot.
And now Goa leading by 3 points. And 35 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Plaza, ayan na naman, nagsisili naman si Gino Padua. Kick out pass to Lim, to Pan, Consi, Pan, stops and paps, perimeter, no good. Rebound by Jok Bellarmine, outlet pass ngayon to the Bees.
The Bees glides to the ring, coach.
Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Team Goa with 15 seconds remaining. Consi, Pan for 3, no good. At bola mapupunta dito sa Team Iriga, trailing by only 1 point now in the third of this exciting, napakagandang ball game, coach.
9 seconds remaining. Let's see how Iriga executes most probably the last shot of the third quarter. Jok Bellarmino with the ball.
Screen by Orada. Another
3
screen.
seconds, coach. 2 seconds.
1, aabot kaya? Ay, muntik na.
And Goa still with a 1-point lead. Napaka-exciting, napakagandang laro ngayon, coach.
What a game still, coach. And siyempre, we are waiting and we are going into another exciting carjack finish here at Goa. With Goa leading by 1 point against this multi-titled inter-town champion team, Iriga City.
Oh, coach, and napakahirap i-predict ng larong ito kasi hindi natin alam if is this going to go into an overtime. Is one team going to go ahead as time progresses in this last final quarter? It's a treat for everyone, especially for the fans.
Yes. So, Goa dito showing their coach, ability to use the crowd, ability, yung nga, pag tinignan natin, coach, match-up-wise, di ba, makakasabi tayo na nakakalamang siyempre ang Goa. Pero hindi lang naman yan kasi nasusukat sa talent that you have on the team. Kailangan kung sa team kayo, you must play as a team, yung chemistry maayos,
yes,
yung playmaking ninyo maayos. Siyempre, yung sumusunod kayo sa coach, yung isa sa pinaka-importante yon. Kasi kung mag-rely lang tayo sa talent, hindi naman tayo Team USA na, di ba,
Yes,
yung
coach.
ibang level yon. Di ba, coach?
And if there is one thing that is not left to be said here is if in case Team Goa wins this game, the hero is the bench. Kasi kung makikita natin, Vivares was subbed out in the third quarter because of his foul trouble and the bench went in, filled in their spots, and they still lead by 1, coach.
So, yun, coach. Well said. Tignan natin kung ma-maintain dito ang intensity ng Team Goa.
Yes, coach.
With some of their notable players already also having 3 personal fouls. Pero tignan pa rin natin ang masusubukan dito ang Team Iriga ng Team Goa. Ayan na. Jok Bellarmino to Vernon magpantay. Guarded by Vivares. Raton provides a fake. AJ Perea fake pass and still pass to Jok Bellarmino. Looking for Vernon magpantay for 3. At yun na nga, may foul
And there's a foul called.
on the 3 points attempt.
Number 24, Brian Lozada.
Yes, committed by Brian Lozada on the shooting 3 by Vernon magpantay.
Team foul.
So,
First personal foul, first team foul para dito sa ating last quarter.
tignan natin, Coach. I think there is some conversation or
Yes.
clarification here, or just a wet spot on the floor.
But also, ganun kasi Coach, hindi yung mga fouls is if you're wondering for our listeners today or watching our games today, yung coaches challenge natin. You must be careful when and where to use it kasi isa lang yun sa whole game na yun.
Exactly, Coach. Hindi siya basta-basta. Dapat strategic din
Oo.
yung paggamit natin ng coach's timeout.
And sa ganitong game na bakbakan yung game down to the wire, para sa akin, siyempre gagamitin ko yan in the last seconds kasi very crucial doon. Malay natin yung mga inbound plays na dapat na pwede natin reklamo na sa atin.
Yes.
At down to the 2 seconds or na pwedeng ma-revert kasi nga tama yung natin, contest natin sa referee's challenge or coach's challenge, edi mapupunta pa sa atin ang bola.
Yes, Coach. Tama ka dun. And Verman magpantay converts the 3 free throws and Iriga now leads by 2 points. They regain the lead.
At
Here.
ito na, Colbert Carrocan, provided pick by Brian Lozada. Lozada versus Perea. Screen by Bibihira tumira pero pasok pa rin yan!
Grabe na, Coach! Grabe yung Coach!
Sa tres!
And
Buhay na buhay!
Confident 3-point shot is brought to you by Miss Sibis Bay.
At natawagan pa dito ko sa unfortunate backing violation. Si pinasa ni Jok dito kay Joseph Marquez. Kaso nga lang hindi pa nakakatawid doon sa court nila.
Grabe to, Coach. Grabe ang laro ngayon, Coach. Grabe talaga.
Lahat naglumalabas ko sa confidence.
Yes.
Ayan ulit, susubok ulit. Carrocan. No, uy, Nedwasa nakanakaw! Lintis nga lang.
Parang si Nightcrawler, Coach, nawala. Pumasok bigla, tumira, kaso lang hindi pumasok yung layup niya. Sayang yun, Coach.
Parang naka-camouflage nga ako sa ilalim.
Nightcrawler edition yung, Coach.
Iba. Abraham Nedwasa, the Nightcrawler. Yan naman. Vernon magpantay. No good. Rebound dito. Mapupunta dito sa Team Goa. Securing the ball is Brian Lozada.
As I said, Coach, one key to the ball game here for Goa is team rebounding, and we can see the team rebounding for this ball game.
Jok Bellarmino with the easy 2. Quick inbound by Vivares. Ayan na si Brian Lozada. Flies away. Butata ang inabot kay Jason Orada.
I think that's Raton.
Raton, Coach. Para dito kay Chocorat Thunder. Pakagandang butata yun. Ayan na, with the replay. At nagumulong silang dalawa doon. Yun
Yung
Boom, nagkayakapan doon pababa. Okay lang naman.
normal play.
Yes, baseline play dito para sa Team Goa. Pass to Abraham, the Nightcrawler Nedwasa. Pushing foul.
And there's a foul
Medyo
there.
crucial to, Coach. Kung kanino
Foul.
yon.
I think that's going to be on Marquez.
Oh!
That is the fourth
Yes,
foul.
confirmed. His fourth personal foul dito para kay Joseph Marquez. Ayan na, nilabas na kagad ang bola dito na sa Team Goa. Colbert Carrocan. Didiskarte. Ayan ulit si Brian Lozada. Layup. No good. Rebound by Vernon. Magpantay. Nagmamadali dito. Flies away. The head
Grabe
time.
yung Coach. Lumipad. Si Verman magpantay.
Pinasabay pa doon. At okay, sport na sport tong si Wawi Kadir. Gusto ko tong bata. High-five niya pa. Si Vernon magpantay. Colbert Carrocan. Jump shot. Pure.
We have a ball game, Coach.
Yes, sir.
We have a ball game.
Ayan na naman.
In this Goa Sports Palace.
Muntik na naman doon mabaking. Pero syempre, goods na yon. Joseph Marquez for 3. No good. At out of bounds. At may warning tayo dito for faking a foul on number 3.
Grabe, Coach. Dogfight yung
Yes,
laro
dogfight for
natin.
Oo, Vernon pagpantay doon. Natawagan ng faking a foul daw, sabi ng ating mga referees. Ito na. Rafael Vivares stops and pops for 3!
Yes, sir! And that 3 points from the nail is brought to you by Hotel St. Ellis.
Kung gano'ng kainit dito, gano'n naman pinapaulanan ni Rafael Vivares.
The dogs are out, coach!
Ayan
The
na.
dogs are out!
Yun nga lang, muntik na sanang makuha yung bola at may kickball dito sa Team Goa. Bola pa rin mananatili dito sa Team Iriga. Grabe yung mga
Yun
hustle.
lang, parang nasaktan, coach. Itong
Si Brian Losada.
parang
Doon, coach, tumama yung tuhod niya when he tries to save the ball.
oh,
Yan ata medyo gumigiling-giling dito si Brian Losada. At
yan
medyo,
yung ayaw nating makita, coach. Hopefully, Lozada is fine. And it's just a simple case of him hitting the floor.
yes, yung right knee niya, coach, tumama doon sa upon saving the ball. So, yun yung naidiin niya. So, we don't know if he has a history of his injury there. At medyo namimilipit siya doon sa sakit.
Yes, coach.
Could have been easy 2 points, pero yun nga. Sorry, turnover dito para sa... And then I hope, coach, yes, we always hope sa lahat ng mga ganyan na mga injury matter, we always hope our players are okay. We hope they're, hindi naman masama yung mga injury at makarecover sila as soon as possible.
Yes, coach. Siyempre, kasi dumaan din tayo dyan eh. One of the most heartbreaking moments
Yes.
while playing or while you're in a league is going down with an injury. Di ba,
Oo,
coach?
coach.
Yung you're playing,
Ayan
yun
na nga,
lang.
coach. So, upon saving yung right knee niya, naibagsak niya doon.
Di siya nakapag-rolling.
Oo, coach. So, hindi siya nakapag-dive. Maybe, di ba, kung dinive niya, Dennis Rodman, coach, possibly hindi yun na yung right foot niya. Boom! Yun, coach, nadaganan. Sorry, I stand corrected. Nadaganan ng sarili niyang katawan yung right knee niya upon falling down.
Yes, coach. Hopefully,
It's okay. We're
Lozada.
praying. Prayers up for Mr. Brian Losada of Team Goa. Back to the ball game na tayo. Papalitan muna ni Mark Rico itong si Brian Losada para dito sa Team Goa. Bola ngayon sa Iriga. Jok Bellarmino to the Dagger Olea. Pass to Vernon Magpantay. Magpantay looking for his teammates. Middle pass to AJ Pere with a 100 floater. No good rebound by Rico.
Iriga, coach, is getting the shots that they wanted. Kaya lang problema natin, Iriga has failed to convert on them.
Yes. At ito na, Vivares. Pass to Wawi Kadir. No good, Kadir pa rin. Nagkagawa silang dalawa doon ni Nedwasa. Hindi lang nagkaamu yan, coach. Rebounded by Dagi Olea. Olea bababa ng bola against Vivares. Behind the back pass to Vernon Magpantay. Magpantay looking for his teammates. Nakuha dito si AJ Perea. Drives in the middle. Floater again. For this time again, no good. Pangalawang mintis na yun, coach, ni AJ Perea sa gitna. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the fourth and final period.
And before we continue with our action here, let's go muna to our very beautiful courtside reporter, Carmela. Take it away.
Nasa fourth quarter na tayo mga kasurog, and these two teams are still on fire. Talagang mahirap ang labanan na ito because they are both executing their playstyle well. Kanya-kanyang diskarte ang pinapakita nila dito sa ating hardcourt. Kanina nga medyo may kalamangan ng Team Goa against Team Iriga, but at the end of the third quarter, Team Iriga redeemed themselves at muling nakabawi. Sabi nga ni Coach Ray Eraula of Team Iriga, surrender isn't for them. They are here to fight, kaya habang may oras pa, bilog ang bola, lalaban sila. They just have to add a little bit more effort and to keep calm para mas maging flexible ang game para sa kanila tonight. Yan muna ang latest update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark.
Thank you, Carmela, for that report of yours. And as a Verman Magpantay tries to take his second shot in the free throw, batiin ko lang yung kaibigan ko, si Mr. Budji Ragodon na nanonood sa atin sa AKB. Okay, so yung mga hindi pa nanonood sa atin, manood kayo. YouTube Live, Facebook, TikTok, name it, nandyan kami.
Siyempre pa, coach, yung mga ating Facebook, Ako Bicol TV. Siyempre kay Congressman Saldico na Facebook, laging updated doon. Siyempre naman, ang ating pinakagwapo, Commissioner Lloyd Rivera at ang kanyang shoutout po Boss Ino Rivera nanonood ngayon. Shoutout po sa iyo, boss.
Shoutout
Break
sa mga
NMA.
bossing natin. Oo.
Sit back and relax dyan, boss. At napakagandang ball game to. Ayan.
So, that was an obvious foul.
Yes, coach.
Although,
Medyo natumba doon ang ating pitbull.
oo, although Raton did not like the call, that was obviously a foul. Foul talaga yon. Hindi mo pwede yung contest yun eh. You cannot touch a player, any shooter while he's shooting the ball, while he's in the air.
Yun nga lang, coach. 2 mintis na dito ni The Pitbull Karorokan.
Oo. Minsan pitbull, minsan ice cream man.
Minsan, SUV maliit. Aararuhin.
Yan.
Muntik
So,
na.
shoots 1 for 3 in that sequence, coach. With Goa leading by 3 points. 6 minutes left in the fourth and final quarter. Let's see what's going to happen as the game ensues.
Dagi uli, medyo napalakas yung tira doon. Rebound ngayon ni Raton. Misses the shot. Kagulo sa rebound. Nakuha ni Gino Padua. Still, muntik na. Ang kagawan ulit at may foul dito. Foul dito siguro. Ito, confirm ko na. Si Abraham Nidwasa tapik doon kay Orada.
And let's see what type of foul is called.
Hacking foul, coach.
Hacking foul.
Tinapik na si Jason Orada after the rebound.
Orada. Yan lang.
Coach. Bakit nagmimintisan ang mga tira ngayon?
Oo.
Pare-pareho, coach. Kanina doon kay The Pitbull, 2 mintis. Ito naman si Jason Orada. Medyo napalakas yung tira niya.
In this kind of ball game, coach, and this kind of energy, you can't expect anything to happen to go in your way. You just have to tough it out. Yan yung mga nakikita natin ngayon.
Yes.
Talagang consistent sa AKB with the Ako Bicol Cup with the level of competition that we have in this league. And syempre, salamat sa ating napakapogi at napakabait na Congressman Saldico for bringing this high-level competition to Camarines Sur.
Yes. Maraming salamat po. Ito na si Rafael Vivares with a left-hand layup. Pinasabay pa, coach, doon. Si aerial voyager dito, si Vernon Magpantay, pinasabay niya pa.
Yes, coach. And that left-handed layup is brought to you by Highlands Legazpi.
Gaganti sana si Vernon Magpantay, kaso may tulak sa taas doon. I think si Gino. Yes, Gino Padua. His second personal foul. 14 foul na dito ang team Goa. 81-77. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining.
So Magpantay is going to troop to the line and hopefully cut the lead by converting his 2 points here.
Yes. Tingnan natin dito ang purest ng jump shot, free throw ni Vernon Magpantay.
Naririnig natin, coach, yung 6th man booing against Vernon Magpantay and the away team Iriga.
Grabe to. Tingnan natin. Silent muna tayo kasi pakinggan natin itong ng crowd ng 6 man. Ayun na nga, namintis. Ang pangalawang free throw nito si Vernon Magpantay. Rafael Vivares versus Vernon Magpantay. Binibigyan ng screen dito ni Gino Padua. Magpantay versus Vivares. Pulls up at 3, may foul! Counted!
Yun na yung coach! Ayun na!
Buhay na buhay!
The dogs are out! Naririnig mo na!
Grabe dito, kahit pukusan pa yan mga crowd na yan. Every shot, 2 points, 3 points. Kasama sila nagse-celebrate. Ang crowd ng Goa, matindi.
And that potential 4-point play, coach, is brought to you by Hotel Venecia.
Itong crowd na to, coach, sa tingin ko, hindi lang to Goa. Representing na na to. Ang naglalaban ngayon, coach, Partido versus Iriga or Pride also, Rinconada versus Partido. Bakbakan na to.
Ito na talaga, coach. Talagang they're firing on all cylinders.
Yes, the finest of Partido versus the finest multi-title team champion. Itong Tinkertown champion, itong Team Iriga. At na-stealan pa si Jokjok Bellarmino. Walang foul nun. Continue yung play. Balls on play. Good lang yan. Ayan na, Rafael Vivares. Cross-court pass to Mark Rico.
Vivares gets the ball again, coach. As their main offensive weapon in this ball game.
Online kaya? Online!
Yun lang.
Mintis yan. At nabitawan, napakaswerte naman ang rebound na yun ni Mark Rico. Rebound na ni Jokjok, nabitawan
Si
pa.
Mark Rico, yung pulot guy natin ngayon.
Yes, AJ Perea sasaksak na dito.
Wala.
Mintis, Orada. Natulak sa likod ulit ni Abraham Nedwasa.
Oo. Grabe to, coach. Grabe. Parang bukas, coach, wala na tayong boses.
Oo.
Sa sobrang exciting, di na natin marinig yung pito ng referee kasi the crowd here is alive.
Alive na alive, coach. At syempre, may halo kasi sinasabi nga niya sa Bisaya, swerte bay. Ayun na nga doon, nabitawan rebound ni Jokjok. Medyo siguro madulas yung kamay. Napunta pa doon kay Mark Rico. Easy 2 points. Now, 86-78 lamang ang Goa with 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating napakagandang ball game na itong double header dito sa napakagandang bayan ng Goa. Siyempre dito pa rin sa Goa Sports Palace. Punong-puno. Punong-puno po tayo dito.
And as the ceasefire is on the floor, shoutout ko muna dyan yung napakagaling ko din na kaibigan na kapwa nating commentator at barger, si Mr. Angelo Espinosilia. Happy watching dyan, brother.
Yes. At back to the ball game tayo. Shoutout ko din ang mga players natin ko sa Team Casereños na nanonood ngayon. Siyempre yan si Wawa at siyempre yan si Jerome, ang pinaka-behave na Jerome Almario.
Oo, napaka-behave ng batang yan.
Batang yan. Behave na behave yan.
Talk to you soon, bro.
Yo, talk to you soon, bro. Ayan na si Jason Orada.
Yan.
Pangalawa niya na yan, coach. Medyo napapalakas yung unang tira palagi ni ating Mr. Beast si Jason Orada.
And I think, coach, again, as I said a while ago, the matchup of the Tank versus the Beast is actually showing now that Wawi Kadir was actually neutralizing the offensive prowess of Jason Orada as his scoring ability has been neutralized in this game.
At involved ko sa crowd. Ayun, may foul dito. Tapik sa likod kay AJ Perea. Second personal foul. 14 foul na dito para sa Team Iriga.
And one more foul, coach, for Iriga. And both of this team would be placed in the penalty situation. Again, strong side on the hand of Vivares as their main offensive weapon this ball game.
Ayan na, Mark Rico. Alley-oop to Vivares! Grabe! Nakita niya pa yun? Ako hindi ko nakita, coach eh.
Kahit ako, coach, speechless. I am just stunned by what I am witnessing in this ball game.
Vernon magpantay, misfires there.
3 minutes and 30 seconds left in this ball game as Goa extends the lead to 10 points.
10 points.
And they set the play here on the half-court set while Wawi Kadir is in the bench.
Yes! Ito naman si Calber Carorocan. Pass to Mark Rico.
6 seconds to shoot.
Calber Carorocan drives. Floater. No good.
Sayang yung coach.
Rebound yun, AJ Perea. Susubukan si Gino Padua. Boarding, wala. Rebound ni Vivares.
Napakagandang depensa, coach.
Uy,
Ni
makisa
Gino
doon. Si Carorocan.
Yeah!
Hindi nakita ni Jason Orada, coach, na may tao sa likod niya. Vernon Mampatay to AJ Perea. At finally, nabutas din ang Iriga.
2 minutes, 45 seconds left here, coach.
Huwag kayong kukurap. Ako, Bicol Cup fans. Patungo na tayo sa napaka-exciting part.
Here we go. Championship minutes.
Kick out pass to Mark Rico for 3. No good. Rebound by Jason Orada to Vernon Magpantay. Magpantay versus Padua. Sinalaksak. Wala yan. Rebound ni Carorocan.
Excellent defensive play by Gino Padua on 2 consecutive possessions, coach, jumping with a rule of verticality and good no call from our officiating. They are letting the players play it out for the last 2 minutes here in this ball game, coach.
At pinuubos dito ang oras. Ito si The Pitbull. No good. Rebound by Joseph Marquez. Nagmamadali sila dito. They have numbers. AJ Perea with the left hand shot. Pasok yan. With with a 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining. Lamang po ng 8 ang Team Goa dito sa mainit at napaka 6-man supportive crowd ng Goa sa Goa Sports
Stay
Palace.
on your seats, guys. This is a dogfight.
Hindi pa to tapos.
Yes, coach.
Maraming pwede pang mangyari. Ang daming oras pang natitira with 1 minute and 51 seconds and Iriga showing life with that 4-0 run.
Yes, coach, I agree. And sabi nga ni Coach Radmanovich before, never doubt the heart of a champion. And that this Team Iriga experienced and multiple championship team will
Yes.
not go down with a dogfight as well.
Makikita kaya natin, Coach, ang champion pride at champion composure ng Iriga na kahit nalalamangan sila ngayon ng 8, mananatili pa rin kaya silang makahabol dito dahil sa kanilang championship experience.
Yes, coach, yung tinatawag nating championship pedigree
Yes.
within their veins. Nga ba talaga itong championship pedigree ito for this ball game?
At yan na, Coach, binalik na si Wawi Kadir.
Wawi Kadir back in
Binalik
the
na
ball
niya
game.
si
Yes,
Mark
coach.
Rico.
So,
Full court press na dito, Coach, ang Team Iriga. Lalabas ngayon ni Mark Rico. Pass to Gino Padua. Guarded by Jok Bellarmino. Naghanap ng mapapasahan. Nahanap si Mark Rico. Mark Rico pass to Karorokan. Against Magpantay. Takes care of the ball. Karorokan drives. Low foul there. Vernon Magpantay to Jok Bellarmino.
Numbers
Naghanap
here.
ng kakampi. Nadulas si Magpantay. Bellarmino looking for 3. Nakuha si Jason Raton against Kadir for 2.
and that cuts the lead to 6 points,
6
coach.
points na lang. Pass to Karorokan. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Wawi Kadir for 3. No good. Rebound sana doon ni Mark Rico kaso nagkatulakan. Rico pa rin.
Yun lang, coach. Quick shot by Wawi Kadir. I think that was an ill-advised shot.
Oo.
As time is on their side, supposedly. But that quick shot places another extra possession for
Will we
Team
see?
Iriga.
Will we see the championship pedigree? Alley-oop to Perea. Butata. Jason Raton. Butata ulit but may foul. Nakakuha doon. I think kay Gino Padua.
I think that's going to be the fourth.
1 minute remaining. Goa with still a 6-point lead here.
Yes, coach. Tignan natin if this championship pedigree will show itself as Choco Thunder goes to the line. Misses the first one, coach. Misses the first one.
Medyo sisingilin dito ang Team Iriga doon sa mga miss free throws nila. Madami na to, coach. Hindi nila nako-convert ng 2 for 2 ang kanilang free throws. Tignan natin dito sa pangalawang subok natin si veteran player Jason Orada.
And as the last 2 minutes is
at medyo nakakayakapan doon sa ilalim si Joseph Marquez at si Wawi Kadir.
as the last 2 minutes has been said here by our Barker, Coach Peter Barcelon. Last 1 minute pala,
Last
sorry.
1 minute na lang, coach.
Sino bang magwawagi, coach? Championship pedigree ba? Or is the underdog
Hungry
going to win this ball game?
Ayan na, Abraham Nedwa sa bababa ng bola. Putik na, nagawa na nga ni Orada. Ay ni Raton. To Jok Bellarmino for 3. No
Wala
good.
yan, coach.
Raton. Binigay kay Marquez
Marquez for 3.
No
Wala
good.
pa rin, coach.
Perea for 2. Bintis pa rin. Rebound by Kadir. Pass to Karorokan. Karorokan to Kadir. At may foul na.
And
Matatawag
there's a
doon.
foul there, coach. There's a foul. There is a foul.
There's a foul, yes. I think kay Marquez.
And
yung
good
foul.
job, coach, on the part of the officiating for not calling ticky-tack fouls in this sequence of the ball game.
So, kasi medyo nasuklayan eh. Foul out na siya si Joseph Marquez, yung kanilang import.
Yes, coach.
Yung Team Iriga, papalitan siya ngayon ni Dagi Olea, ang kanilang sharpshooter. Coach, doable pa to.
Yes, coach.
5-point lead ng Goa. Depende sa free throw ngayon ni Wawi Kadir.
This is just a 2-possession
Yes.
lead by Goa, coach. It is now up to Team Iriga if they are going to execute properly as Kadir sinks the first one.
Cold-blooded free throw by Wawi Kadir. Ice on his veins. Malamig pa yan, pero mainit ang tira.
Wawi Kadir, all the way! All the way down. Yan na.
At substitution muna tayo. Bellarmino
As Wawi Kadir.
lalabas, papalitan ni Magpantay.
Oh, as he sinks the second one, Coach Wawi Kadir gingerly runs back to their court. Nafe-feel niya na yung cramps dito because this has been a
And
test
Dagio
of
Olea.
strength here, Coach.
So Bellarmino, screen by Orado. Bellarmino stops and foul for 2. Pasok yan. 23 seconds remaining. Still from behind. Muntik na. Ayun na. Outlet.
Yan lang, Coach.
Yun lang.
Yun lang, Coach.
Pwede pa to.
This is doable.
Bellarmino for 3. No good. Rebound by Wawi Kadir. At yun na, walang bantay. Si Mark Rico for 2.
And we have a Coach. We have a ball game.
Time out. 6-5 dito ang Team Iriga. With Goa
6.61 seconds, Coach.
Leading now by 7 points itong Goa.
Yes, Coach. Is it still possible, Coach?
Possible for a quick 3. Kaso nga lang, kahit mag quick 3, 4 pa rin yung lamang. Depende dito sa didiskarte ng Team Iriga. O ano kanila maging game plan.
Goa just needs to play their cards right and they can get away with this impressive highway robbery type of ball game as the underdogs crawl themselves up and hopefully steals this game from Iriga, Coach.
So yun lang nga talaga, Coach. Ang daming mintis nung Iriga from the free throw and the follow-up. Medyo malas-malas lang talaga sila, Coach. Samantala, kabalik na naman dito sa Team Goa. Ayan na nga ang huling tira ni Vernon Magpantay.
And that, I think,
that concludes our game.
And this is a ball game, Coach. The underdogs, the dogs are out.
A beautiful scenario for here in the bracket B. Kasi itong Coach, Goa, tinalo sila ng Team Kamaligan by a convincingly more than, I think, 10 or 20 points. Samantala naman dito, ang Goa leading by only 7 points dito sa Team Iriga. Ang kaabang-abang dito, Coach, ang laban ng Iriga versus Kamaligan.
Yes, Coach, this puts pressure on Team Iriga as they are now down with 1 game as Goa steals this very important game under their noses. Coach, props lang not only sa players ng Team Goa but also to the coaches. Kasi makikita natin, report pa lang kanina, interview pa lang kanina sa coach nila, they were on a mission and they never set their path away from their mission and now they win. They deserve the win and the victory is for the city of Goa, Coach.
Kahit na injured pa, Coach, yung isa nilang key player dito na si Brian Losada, sila pa rin ang nanaig dito following their game plan. Sabi nga kanina doon sa interview pa lang na sana daw, sabi ng Coach Anthony Linso, saludo sa'yo, madaan nila sa bilis at shooting itong laro at yun na nga ang nangyari ngayon, Coach.
Yes, Coach. And if we go back, Coach, to the analysis that we made at the before the start of the ball game, ball movement, ball and body movement, taking care of the ball, team rebounding, all of the boxes were checked, and they win this ball game.
In the history of Intertowns, sabi nga nung coach nila kanina, they never won against Iriga. So this might be the first time, I stand corrected if ever, the first time Goa, the best of partido, won against the multi-titled champion team Iriga, the best of Rinconada.
Grabe
They
to,
won
Coach.
tonight.
Grabe tong ball game na to, Coach. It tells you that system works over talent. Yan yung isa sa mga napatunayan dito as Goa wins this ball game.
What a game.
What a game, Coach.
What a game, Coach.
What a game. Sulit yung traffic natin, Coach. Sulit.
Papunta dito. Nagulpi kami ng traffic, pero sulit na sulit dito. Kala ko hindi pa natatapos yung laro. Punta natin ang mga game highlights brought to us by Misamis Bay,
Highlands Legazpi,
Hotel St. Ellis,
and syempre, last but not the least, Hotel Venecia.
Pasalamatan din natin ang ating poging-pogi at magiting na si Congressman Saldico kasama ang Ako Bicol Cup party list sa pagdala dito ng napakagandang liga. Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, Coach. Grabe.
Bakbakan sa buong Camarines Sur. Ito na, papunta na sa semis. Quarterfinals pa lang, umuusok na. Ano
Yes.
pa kaya ang semifinals?
This actually changes the complexity of Bracket B, Coach. As Goa steals this important game, tignan natin as to how the other teams would respond and how they would strategize against the stronger teams in Bracket B.
With the win of Goa against Iriga ngayon, medyo nagulo yung mga prediction ng mga, syempre ng mga nanunubaybay dito na it's gonna be Iriga and Kamaligan, medyo nagulo ngayon. Kaya kaabang-abang,
Yes,
lalo
Coach.
kaabang-abang ang game ng
Yes, Coach.
Iriga versus
Kasi
Kamaligan.
Kailan yung,
I
anong
think
araw yung
that's June 18. Hindi ko lang alam ang venue.
Oo. June 18, Kamaligan versus Iriga. It's
Yun,
going to be a dogfight.
Super bakbakan. Tignan natin kung saan. Okay? So habang inaantay natin ang magiging kasurog player of the game, which is ang hirap pagpilian kung sino ang magiging kasurog player of the game. Si The Pitbull ba? Or si The Silencer? Or si The Tank? Or si Simpleng Mark Rico?
Yes,
Bahala na kayo. Mamaya makikita nyo kung sino ang ating magiging kasurog best player of the game.
Siyempre, Coach. And again, props again, Coach. Ulitin ko, props sa coaching staff ng Team
Yes.
Goa nito
What a
for
beautiful-
setting the tone early, keeping their boys in their game plan, and this translates into the victory.
Yes, Coach. So napakagandang well-executed plays. Pati sa coach at sa players, yung puso na pinakita nila, kasama na rin ang kanilang 6-man. Sino nga Coach ang ating 6-man?
Siyempre, walang iba kundi yung crowd ng Municipality of Goa. It is a treat to watch. Siyempre, kahit sino, Coach, na nanonood dito, mapipil yung energy, yung electric energy sa ating Goa Sports Palace. A fitting name
Yes,
for
Sports
this place.
Palace.
So,
Punong-puno kanina. Involved sila sa game. At napakaganda nung crowd na pinapakita kanina dito nang humahabol na at lumalamang na. Tapos nakakapuntos pa yung Team Goa. Bakbakan ng bakbakan, pati yung crowd. Involved sila physically and emotionally dito sa game na to. Okay? So, with that, kita-kita ulit tayo. Ako po ang naging yung resident play-by-play kasama si Coach Mark bago namin tawagin.
at ako naman yung game analyst nila.
Yan.
Sorry. Talagang super excited lang kami. Hype beast na eh. So, ngayon, let's go now to our courtside reporter, Carmela, with our Kasurog player of the game. The floor is yours, Carmela.
Thank you so much, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark. And right now with me is our Kasurug player of the game, none other than Rafael Vivares, scoring 32 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, and 2 steals. So, Rafael, grabe yung nilaro nyo ngayon, especially you after losing the first game, but now you guys bounce back. Share mo naman kung ano ba yung naging strategy nyo or naging playstyle nyo at nagawa nyo ito ngayon.
Nung nag-huddle kami, suggest lang ng bawat isa sa amin, nagsasalita at extra effort at tiyaga talaga sa laro. Dedication namin sa laro, puso.
Ayun, dagdag pa natin na at the very beginning of the game, grabe na yung binuhos mo, pagod at effort sa team. Ano ba yung naging motivation mo behind that excellent performance?
Extra workout sa umaga, sa gabi, shooting lang at practice makes perfect.
Alright, we are live sa ating mga social media platforms. May gusto ko bang batiin, especially your friends, family, and your supporters? Go on.
Salamat sa sa pamilya ko na walang tigil na suporta at sa municipality ng Goa kasi walang tigil silang suporta sa amin at mga sponsors namin sina Attorney Francis Papi Capadua at mga ibang sponsors namin. At sa family ko, shoutout sa kina Mami Juyel at kina Yinyin na nakauwi na sa US. At sa family ni JC Kararukan from Batangas.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Rafael, and once again, congratulations to you and your team. That's it, mga kasurog, ang ating best player of the game. Kaya, yun, on behalf of Representative Zaldico Cubicol Portalist, Ako Bicol Tournament Commissioner Lord Rivera, Technical Head Director Christian Calleja, at ang mga kasama natin sa panel, Coach Nuki and Coach Mark, and yours truly, Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. Maraming salamat mga kasurog sa patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And this is the end of our matchups for tonight. Kaya kita-kita tayo bukas sa Sangay Covered Court para sa mga exciting games. Thank you and good night.